Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 6, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down to additional settings, and then scroll down again and select backup and reset. Then choose reset phone, erase all data, and erase all data. And this will now begin factory resetting your phone. This process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.